So, Professor, in this one, I'm gonna talk about source number one from 12 sources. The source number one, the name is the name of the source number one is colonialism as a crime. So, in this, I'm gonna talk about colonialism as a state crime. So, in this state crime that relies on violence and threats to achieve uh, political or economical power, and many colonial actions were which they explained many actions like land seizures were illegal under the settlers on laws, and there were many unpunished colonial crimes like Canadian residential schools, in which they took indigenous children and put them in the school away from their parents. And then there was genocide of indigenous people in Canada. And also in source number one they talk about law is not just a reflection of society norms. And in this they talk about police system in the US was originally designed to control all black people, not criminals. And also uh, when the Black Lives Matter movement started, so that's when the legal system continues to criminalize uh, when the Black Lives Matter system protest started. So that tells us the uh, laws and laws and officials, they use their powers uh, to treat the small groups or of different race. And so they it tells us the legal system continues to criminalize the marginalized groups. And also source number one talks about these uh, three theories. The first one is state crime theory, in which is committed by government officials. And the second one is critical criminology, which tells laws serve the powerful and criminalize the oppressed. And the third one is conflict theory. In this it tells us the law reflects the interest of ruling class, not justice. As we all know, there were many incidents in which the ruling class was trying to extend their territory by treating the minor groups harshly and making them follow their traditions. And making these different kind of laws on them and making them follow, and just kind of treating them wrong. So these were all the things talked which they talked in source one.